In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment settings on Wix by integrating Stripe as a payment provider. This will allow you to accept various payment methods from your customers smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by heading over to Wix.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard, which is essentially your starting point for configuring everything on your website, from design elements to financial settings. From the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu. Clicking on Settings will open a new world of customization options, but for this video, we will focus on payment settings to ensure your customers can purchase items from your site seamlessly. Under Settings, find and click on the Accept Payments option. This area allows you to configure how transactions are processed on your site. You'll want to have everything set up here to ensure you can handle payments without any hiccups. Next up, you'll see an option that says See More Payment Options. Click on it, and here, Wix will show you various payment providers available specifically in your region. It's important to choose a payment provider that not only works for you, but is also reliable and trusted by your customers. We're going to focus on Stripe, a popular payment processor known for its ease of use and extensive features. Under the section for credit or debit cards, you'll see Connect Stripe. Go ahead and click Connect Account, which will start the process of linking your Stripe account with your Wix website. If you already have a Stripe account, this next step will be simple. Just log in using your existing credentials and authorize Wix to access your Stripe account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. To do this, you will need some essential business details such as your business name, type, website URL, and crucially, your bank account information for payouts. Additionally, have identification documents on hand, as Stripe may require these for verification purposes. Once your Stripe account is all set and verified, it's automatically linked to your Wix site, completing the setup. You'll know everything is working when you see the Stripe connected status in your Wix payment settings. Now you're all set to start accepting payments. Don't forget to publish your Wix site if you haven't already. Once live, your customers will be able to pay using various methods through Stripe, including credit cards, debit cards,